In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Sofi Bank account. Whether you're looking to manage your finances digitally or explore new banking options, setting up a Sofi Bank account is a straightforward process, and I'm here to make it as simple as possible for you. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Sofi website or downloading their app on your smartphone. Once you've done that, look for the Get Started button. This is your gateway to initiating the account creation process. It's usually prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Now that you've clicked Get Started, it's time to enter your personal details. You'll need to fill out your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. It's important to ensure all the information you provide is accurate and up to date, as this will help avoid any potential issues down the line. With your details entered, the next step is to verify your identity. For this, you'll need a valid driver's license and your smartphone. The process typically involves taking a picture of your ID and possibly a selfie to match the ID photo. This step is crucial for security purposes to ensure that you are who you say you are. After successfully verifying your identity, you'll be prompted to choose your account type. Sofi offers different account options to cater to your needs, such as an individual account or a joint account if you're planning to manage finances with someone else. Consider your personal or shared financial goals when making this choice. The next step involves linking an external bank account. This is necessary for transferring funds to and from your new Sofi account. You'll need your bank account information handy for this step, and it's a good idea to double-check those details to ensure they're correct. Linking your account is usually a quick process, often requiring just a few minutes to complete. Once you've linked your external bank account, you're almost there. Sofi will review your application, and once everything is approved, your Sofi bank account will be ready to use. You'll receive a confirmation, and from there, you can start exploring all the features and benefits that come with your new account. And there you have it. Creating a Sofi bank account is that simple. With your account set up, you can now enjoy the convenience of managing your finances through Sofi's user-friendly platform. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.